What's up? This K-Dog at the CNN Center. Finna go to this Hawk scrimmage game.
What's up, man? Come on.
I'm here with my boy J. Cool. As you already know, J. Cool. It's finna go up tonight. Man, we getting in this free game, but man, we got an inside scoop that we might be meeting the players tonight, man. So
Can't tell y'all.
It's been a long time since we've been out there for your fans and everything. We coming up. We got some big things we gonna work on and do. Just give us some time. We gonna be there. Yeah, in Atlanta, we're gonna go to the Hawks game. So I hit y'all up, let y'all know how the game going. J. Cool, any last words?
Nah, man, you know, just keep it cool, you know. Better check the weather when you go out.
Oh yeah. We here with the aunt, J. Cool Daddy. Alright. K-Dog out. J. Cool. Deuces. See y'all after the game.
Yeah.
Man, this junk crazy. We in line right now, waiting to get in this Phillip Arena game, this Hawks game, really. And we trying to get in this game. And look at that line, bro. I mean, it's all the way up there. And it seems like we ain't never gonna get in. So, I mean, we just sitting in line clowning, janking folks. I mean, this guy behind us, I don't know if y'all can see him, but he at that table, and he got dreads for his beard. But, I mean, he homeless, I guess, but we still waiting to get in this Hawks game. So that's an update for right now.
I'll be uploading the video. Alright.
I mean, it's gonna be back on when we get back to DoG. So. Deuces.
We just do it. We stay fly, so everywhere we go, we do it big now. We the trillion. Nothing greater, probably never seen nothing like
never
it.
stopping.
We keep pushing, falling off, it ain't an
So we steady winning.
Looked at me, say she like my six pack, but I don't like her though. I told her get back, 90s Nick glow. Yeah, I'm all that, always swagged out, like my snapback. Money long, pockets fat, always getting money. Yeah, I'm always strapped, losing is not an option. It's not gonna happen, we forever winning. Cause I'm the captain, my wrist naked, put some clothes on, my J's fresh, yeah I got them on, ladies love me, I'm always on, you say you the king, but watch your throne, I'm coming like a thief, better watch your home, Naptown 317, that's my home, now I'm living in the state with the Georgia Dome, doing it big, keeping it fly, we hired in the ozone.
Say something. Say something.
Something. J. Cool here. You know, chilling. I don't even know where we at. We somewhere outside around, you know. Had to stop and get some grub, you know. Checking out these new Burger King fries, you know, ain't nothing different about them. They just came out today, so you know. I had to do it.
Yeah, after that. The Hawks scrimmage game. I laid down in the back seat of the truck. Don't know where we at. Just know we at a Burger King somewhere
In the U.S.
outside of Atlanta. So it's about another hour and 45 minutes back home.
45 minutes. On the drive.
You ain't gonna drive.
Yeah, on the drive, but
He gonna do the driving.
So what you think about the team?
Oh yeah, about the team. About the team.
What do you think about the team?
You got that Magnum roll. He looked like he gonna do something this season.
Team looked good, didn't he?
T-Mac. He was doing his little thing, hitting that little wrist snap and shot. Teague was going in. And you know Jay Smooth always gonna do his thing now. Now, how you feel about the game? How you feel about the scrimmage?
Man, you know, I ain't like how T-Mac tried to bring it back to old school, throwing it out the backboard, hit sitting to all-star dunk. But, you know, it's all good. You gotta play smart, do their thing. It's gonna be a good season.
What you think about the T-Mac appearance for the Atlanta Hawks scrimmage?
I think that T-Mac is retired and then retired.
He gonna be on YouTube giving a Atlanta Hawks review. Eating his Burger King burger. Alright, my food up. Yep. I'm just getting home from the Hawks game. Ran in, took off my shirt and my hat. It's 12:02. So this is the day of the Hawks scrimmage. K-Dog, J. Cool. So I mean, the video might be up tomorrow because we can't find the cord. So it'll probably be